Let's pick up where we left off last time. If we have an any of, a none of, the majority of, a lot of, plenty of, all of, some, or some of, plus an uncountable noun, we use a singular verb. All of the furniture was destroyed in the fire. Furniture is an uncountable noun. We don't say furnitures in English. The furniture was destroyed in the fire. All of the furniture was destroyed in the fire. Equipment. None of the equipment appears to be damaged. Equipment, we don't say equipments. Equipment is an uncountable noun. None of the equipment appears to be damaged. With everyone, everybody, everything, and similar words beginning with any, some, and no, we use a singular verb. Practically everyone thinks that Phil should be given the job. Everyone thinks. Everybody should look out for himself or herself, themselves in life. Right? This is an issue I'd like to take a look at later on, but we'll give you a little preview of what's to come. This is called gendered language, or making language gender neutral. Right? Nowadays, there's more of an awareness of gender in language, and there's a big push now to make sort of things gender neutral. For example, we talk about humankind, we don't talk about mankind anymore, or we talk about human beings or people instead of men. We don't say all men are created equal. We say maybe all people, or all human beings, or all individuals are created equal. So there's this push more to be more gender inclusive in our language. So the question is how do we do it? Is the answer himself or herself, or themselves? Well, obviously himself is the older, more traditional form. It's not gender inclusive at all. Himself or herself is gender inclusive. You're including men and women, males and females. However, it seems to be a bit awkward every time to write himself or herself. Themselves is a bit of a problem, people say, because, well, we have a singular, everybody, with a plural, themselves. So what do? Well, actually, all three are correct. Himself, once again, is the older, more traditional form. Himself or herself you can use, but it's a bit awkward. So therefore, we use a themselves. So the most common way of doing it is to use a themselves. Right? It may be a little bit awkward. You have a singular versus a plural, but it's what we use nowadays. So everybody should look out for themselves in life is probably what you would most likely find in a newspaper or in a philosophy book, etc., where they would talk about something like this. Maybe in an ethics book they talk about ethical egoism or something like that. So everybody should look out for themselves in life. Now, when we have every, each, plus a singular noun or a coordinated noun, X and Y, we use a singular verb. Every student in this room is nice. Student is nice. Every student is nice. Every boy and girl takes part in the activity. So we have a coordinated noun, boy and girl, takes part. Each child has drawn a picture. The children have each drawn a picture. Right? So obviously in the second sentence, or in the second sentence, the children have each drawn a picture. Obviously, what they're saying is each child has drawn a picture, but the subject is children. Children, plural, plural verb, have. Each child, subject singular, singular verb. Very simple. Thank you.